Welcome to the thrilling whirlwind of tech chaos. Here, today's rumors become tomorrow's revolutions. Are you ready for a roller coaster ride through the latest tech news? From whispers of Apple's M4 MacBook Pro to AI delays keeping us on the edge of our seats, we've got it all covered. There's also a legal storm brewing in WordPress and Microsoft's push to upgrade your PCs. But wait, there's more. Dive into Intel's crafty fixes, USB innovations, and even artificial plants redefining sustainability. So, tech enthusiasts and curious minds, buckle up for this fast-paced landscape that promises to keep excitement levels high. Jump into the heart of this tech-driven adventure with us, because in this rapidly changing world, there's always something worth buzzing about. Ready to dive in? Let's spark that curiosity and head straight into the chaos. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're diving into the juiciest tech gossip. Apple's M4 MacBook Pro rumors. Fans and tech enthusiasts are buzzing with anticipation. There's talk of a possible November 1st, 2024 release, alongside revamped Mac Minis and eye-catching iMacs. What could this mean for consumers? With speculated enhanced performance features, could this device redefine what we expect from a MacBook Pro? Whether you're a designer, coder, or just an Apple enthusiast, the M4 might be the must-have tech. And what about the new Mac Mini and iMac models? Are they sidekicks, or do they pack their own tech punches? As with all things Apple, secrecy adds allure, spurring entertaining theories. Is this just another rumor in the tech jungle, or are we on the verge of the next big laptop leap? Sound off in the comments with your thoughts, predictions, and hopes for Apple's upcoming lineup. Stay tuned for more juicy details. In technology, patience isn't often a virtue we like to practice, especially with AI advancements. Apple has teased us with its AI-powered photo montage tools, but like a delayed software update, we're left waiting. Originally set to launch soon, these tools are postponed, leaving us in anticipatory limbo. What's causing this detour? Perfecting AI is both an art and a science. This delay highlights the unpredictable pace of tech evolution. Developers are working hard, yet the complexities of seamless AI integration often slow progress. Though frustrating, these holdups are often signs of imminent, refined, robust tech. So hang tight. When these features arrive, they'll redefine digital creativity. Remember, AI might be the future, but sometimes futures have delays. Like waiting for a new episode of a favorite show. It'll be worth it. Stay tuned, as the innovation train never stops, even when temporarily paused. Consider this a brief intermission before the main act shines. In the WordPress world, not everything is seamless. Welcome to the courtroom drama shaking up the WordPress community. At its center are WP Engine and Automatic, locked in a trademark dispute. But what's this fuss about? It's all about rights, contributions, and influence. Legal battles aren't uncommon in tech, but this could set a precedent, impacting the entire community. If the stakes weren't high enough, consider WordPress, powers 40% of the top 10 million websites, potentially affecting millions. What's next? The tech and legal worlds watch closely as this case unfolds. Will it reshape how trademark disputes are handled in open source communities? Time will tell. Stay tuned as this real-life drama continues. Just like WordPress updates, there's never a dull moment. Keep watching to see how the tech landscape keeps us on our toes. If these tech tales intrigue you, hit that like button and join our community by subscribing. Alright, tech enthusiasts, let's switch gears to Microsoft's latest push, nudging you toward a shiny new PC. Picture this, Windows 11 offers a sophisticated, secure environment, but with a catch. Your current setup might not make the cut. Microsoft's stringent hardware demands, spotlighting TPM 2.0, stir both excitement and a quandary. Who doesn't love an excuse for an upgrade? Sleeker designs, faster processors? But the cost can be a hurdle. Why the push from Microsoft? It's part of a grand strategy to boost PC sales and enhance user experience and security. With rampant cyber threats, TPM chips are a necessity, not a luxury. Is it worth the hype? That's for you to decide. Will you embrace this wave, or wait until your old PC gives up? Comment below to debate. Brace yourselves, tech enthusiasts. Today, Intel is in charge. We're diving into Intel's heroic efforts to stabilize CPU voltage fluctuations. The Raptor Lake CPUs had their wobble, a tightrope walker losing balance. But fear not, Intel's engineers have worked their magic, restoring robust performance. Sadly, for some chips beyond help, the damage is done. But the story doesn't end here. Intel is pushing boundaries with groundbreaking USB technology improvements. Meet USB 4.2, faster data transfers at 80 GB per second, powering devices with 240 watts. A multitasking marvel. Whether speeding through file transfers or juicing up gadgets, this tech keeps you moving forward. These advancements prove Intel is ready to tackle future tech challenges head-on, keeping us geared up for what's next. In a world where every byte counts, every innovation matters, keep an eye on Intel as they lead the charge in tech's future. If these innovations thrill you, hit that like button and stay connected for more exciting updates. Who knew plants could be tech-savvy? Introducing tomorrow's artificial plants, not your grandma's fake ferns. These look good, generate oxygen and electricity. Future artificial foliage could power gadgets while keeping air clean. This groundbreaking tech pushes sustainability boundaries. Harnessing nature innovatively, these plants redefine green living. Imagine homes and offices powered by high-tech greenery, a leaf-powered revolution. Just the beginning as we move toward a sustainable future. These plants promise a key role in our greener planet quest. From reducing carbon footprints to saving energy, it's where nature and tech unite. Stay tuned, the garden of the future is about to get interesting. As we conclude our tech escapade, reflect on the ever-transforming landscape. From upcoming Apple delights to AI delays, we've seen the ebb and flow of innovation. WordPress drama highlights tech as community and copyright battles. Microsoft's new PC push compels the hesitant, while Intel tackles CPU fixes and pioneers USB advances. Don't overlook artificial plants, ushering sustainability into the modern age. The tech world never sleeps, and neither should your curiosity. What's next? Keep eyes peeled for more developments. If you enjoyed this digital whirl, like, subscribe, and share. Your tech universe journey is just beginning. Stay curious, stay informed. Until our next adventure, keep exploring the possible.